Okay, so you're going to get a pie dish, a little bit of water, a little bit of cooking oil, and the first thing I want you to do is on a notebook piece of paper, I want you to write down, and of course I don't have a black marker with me, I'll have to grab one. What I'd like you to write down first is observation number 1, okay? Observation number 1 is going to be what the result is of you mixing the oil and the water. Okay? Obviously, you guys are 6th graders. I'm not a fool. Okay? I know that you know what's going to happen, but I want you to either draw a picture or explain to me in words what it is that you see when your lake is full of water and oil lands on top of it. Okay? So I'm going to have, I don't know how I'm going to divide these teams up yet, but I'm going to, you guys are all now a team. Make sure your lake doesn't have a hole in it. If your lake has a hole in it, I'll find you a new lake. Yes, ma'am.
Wait, no.
No, you're going to stay right where you're at.
So this is actually somewhat. Yeah, doesn't have holes, it just has dents.
The good thing about as I said, just check your lake for holes. If your lake has a hole, let me know. It'd be unfortunate if your lake, I'm going to give you guys your own lake. Now, I'm going to fill your lake with water. Okay? Now, you're not going to get a ton of water, probably just a little bit. Okay? Magic. Please don't. No, that's not true.
That is 10%. Drink it then.
Okay, now, your lake has been filled. Now, unfortunately, this big rig is going to crash into your lake.
Oil, right?
This is oil. This is cooking oil. Please don't say anything out loud. Just make observations in your mind. We're really chatty today, and I'm not really liking it very much. Your chattiness should be in your mind. I'm going to give you time to collaborate with your team in a little bit. Sounder. I am. Okay. That'd be great. Bye. Mackenzie, after you're done with your explanation, you need to go down to the high school office, there's something in there for you, and you need to pick up a box for me. Okay? That's what Mrs. Abell just said, so that's what's gonna happen. Did you guys already have an oil spill? Oh no! Okay. The observations have to happen in our minds. If you want to draw the picture, that's fine. If you want to use your words, that's fine as well. I want you to be able to identify what is happening right now. We had an oil spill, and I want you to be able to tell me what that means for Lake Stephen, or Lake Gabby, or whatever.
Like watermelon.
Just set it down right there.
Don't try to smoke. I don't want to smell it.
See, look at there. You see the little water on the outskirts.
Okay, the observations have been made. Okay? So observation number 2 is this. I'm part of FEMA. Okay? I'm an organization that's going to come help you clean up an oil spill. Your mission for today is to completely get rid of all the oil and keep the water completely safe and clean. That's your goal. But I'm FEMA, so I'm only going to give you a limited resource. You have a choice between some gauze pads, some cotton balls, and some sponges. You need to be able to, by the end of the class period, show me that all you have left in your lake is pure water. There's no oil left. You have to have an action plan written down. Fellas, listen. You need to have an action plan written down. So if you try something and it works, you can erase it. Whatever works, I want you to write it down on a piece of paper. And I want you to tell me how you tested to see whether or not that water was completely oil-free. No, you cannot light it on fire. Because yes, it will burn a lot. Does that make sense? So as a team, you are going to collaborate. This should be a horse around time. You have a mission. And your mission is due in a half hour. Beautiful. You can go down right now. Your team will wait for you.